Hello and welcome to a new episode Do It Yourself Network. Today I want to introduce alternative methods to install access points of Zyxel. First we have a 5-pack of the ceiling clips which can be used to fix the access point on a system ceiling. There are also dry plugs in a package of each access point, but for some reason you won't destroy the plates in the ceiling and fix them on the metal bars. Here is a video how this works. You would have noticed that there are no power supplies in some of our access points. You can buy this power supplies separately with a EU, UK and US plug, so that we do not waste any power supplies just in case that our customers want to install the access point with the power over Ethernet switch. And also the price is limited to that. And for the third part, I have an update for you regarding the outdoor housing of our access points. If you notice the video that I linked to you in this episode, we have mounted the square back plates to this system, but now there is a mark on the back side, so you don't need to measure it anymore. You can immediately screw the original access point wall or ceiling mount to this outdoor housing and install it like described in the video. I hope you liked the video. If yes, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes. Also, you can follow us on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.